Good day, everyone. We are the reporters, and our environmental issue or problem we choose is the industrialization, focusing on the air pollution. The problem all about is the big industries, factories, and plants release pollutants in the atmosphere, exacerbating air quality issue that cause environmental risk like pollution, specifically air pollution. Factories and sectors like petrochemicals, steelmaking, and power generation are major sources of these emissions. The combustion of fossil fuels and industrial processes generates harmful fumes that not only pollute the air but can also lead to environmental issues like acid rain and climate change. Thus, managing industrial emissions is crucial for protecting both public health and the environment. Additionally, the real danger of air pollution on our health is long-term exposure. The longer we are exposed to dangerous levels of air pollution, the higher the risk. The sooner we could address this problem and the sooner we could control emissions, the longer we are exposed to dangerous levels of air pollution. The higher the risk. The sooner we could address this problem and the sooner we could control emissions. Where? In Manila. When? It happened up until now. So how the government addressed this environmental issue? To address this issue, the Manila government signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Clean Air Asia and 3M Philippines for the Asia Blue Skies program in November 2019 to develop a science-based clean air action plan for the city of Manila to boost its current efforts to improve air quality. To support this endeavor, three air quality sensors have been installed in different locations around the city in the first quarter of 2020 to monitor levels of fine particulate matter, 2.5 million and other pollutants in selected areas in the city. The air quality monitoring data collected, along with the emissions inventory and health mapping results, will be used to be better understand air quality in the city of Manila. The city has also entered into an agreement in the Department of Environmental and Natural Resources for the establishment of a real-time continuous ambient air quality monitoring station. Other actions to boost air quality and urban livability include plans by the city government to provide 1,600 hectares of green spaces, which is requirement for a livable and healthy city according to the World Health Organization or WHO through the establishment of vertical gardening and roof gardens. So why did we choose this problem? We choose this problem because air pollution is one of the major environmental issues that faces in our world and in our country, specifically in Manila, since it's considered as one of the big city. It's expected that it faces air pollution because the growing industry and growing people and community. Since ang Metro Manila is big city siya, mag-expect jud ta na daghan mga dagko na industry dura na place and kana na industry kay sila pud ang one major contribution sa air pollution sa Metro Manila. And aside sa ana kay ang Manila daghan mga jeep and cars, so isa sa ga-contribute sa air pollution. Mga aso nga gikan sa sakyanan nga gina-reduce ang air sa mga industry nga makadao sa environment o ga-contribute sa climate change. We choose this problem kay ang air pollution kay one of the major environmental issues around the world. Industrial region kay isa sa contribute ani environmental problem even diri sa atong lugar. Makasinati ihapon tag air pollution. We choose Metro Manila kay isa siya sa populated and growing country here sa Philippines and isa pud siya nga naa jud problem sa air pollution. So here is the evidence that Metro Manila is very polluted kaayo. So makita niyo sa picture nga grabe gid siya ka polluted ang Metro Manila. So here are the four future thinking alternatives. Scenario 1. Enhance regulatory frameworks. Implement stricter regulations on industrial emissions, including real-time monitoring of air quality and penalties for non-compliance. Collaborate with the national government for the effective action and enhancement frameworks. So, this scenario 1 is need yun na to sunod sa compliance, need na to magsugod sa standard and for the guidelines of the implementation of the national government. Scenario 2. Clean energy transition. Shift industrial processes to renewable energy sources, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and minimizing emissions. This includes investing in solar, wind, and hydroelectric power to power factories. This scenario helps to reduce air pollutants, economic growth through job creation, enhance energy independence, and long-term cost savings for consumers and businesses. So this scenario is kanang magkuan siya mag-minimize siya sa pollution kay nagamit man siya og kanang solar, wind and hydroelectric power para ma-minimize nato ang pagkuan sa mga carbon emission para makuan pod ang atong malasin pod ang climate change nga kakahita po diri sa ato ang country. Scenario 3. Urban green infrastructure. Develop green spaces and urban forests to absorb pollutants and improve air quality. Initiatives could include planting trees in industrial areas and creating green roofs on buildings. This scenario enhances environmental quality, boosts climate resilience, promotes public health and well-being of the people and community. So this scenario also develop og green spaces para ma-absorb ang mga pollution nga gikan sa mga factories. Then need po nato mag tanom og mga kahoy para malasan pod ang pollution, tas para makuan pod ang atong greenhouse para dili pod kay siya magbaga ang ato ang greenhouse gases. Scenario 4. Promotion of circular economy practices. Encouraging industries to adopt circular economy principles can minimize waste and emissions through the reuse of materials and sustainable resource management. So this scenario need na to kung naay mga gamit nga kailangan i-reuse, kailangan na pa nato siya i-reuse, i-reuse nato siya for malasan nato ang ato ang carbon pollution, dili nato siya sunugon ang mga plastics and mga cellophanes para malasan ang pollution des kuan punta sa tuwang climate change.